Muslims across the globe celebrate Eid al-Adha, the Feast of Sacrifice. Hi, my name is Sadia Abdul Aguye. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new on our channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you get notified every time we post new content. Muslims in Bwari Area Council came out in record-breaking numbers, dressed beautifully for the congregational Eid prayer with Sarki Bwari, His Royal Majesty Sir Awal Musa Ijakuru II. In northern Nigeria, the Emir's regalia, his headwear, remains a sign of style, a symbol of office, which is made with utmost creativity. It was nothing short of amazing to listen to these sounds. The royal kids were dressed beautifully as well. King Awal Musa Ijakuru addressed his subjects after the Eid prayers.
Da fatan Allah ya maimaita mana. Ina jawo hankulan jama'a maza da mata da wannan lokaci na zumunci ne da ziyara ne da kuma nuna murnan sallah. Ba an ce a yara matasa su shiga wani hali bane su ci gaba da abubuwan da bai cancanta ba ko bai dace ba. Saboda haka ina jawo hankulan jama'a inda muka je masallaci lafiya muka dawo lafiya da fatan Allah ya karbi ibadunmu. Today is one of my happiest days. We celebrate our Eid al-Kabir peacefully. I know Bwari Area Council is the home of peace. We went to Eid celebration, we observed our prayer peacefully, alhamdulillah. If you look at last 2 years back, we couldn't go to Eid Kabir because of the condition, because of the COVID-19. But alhamdulillah, this time around, we celebrated peacefully.
Some of the brothers of King Ijakuru spoke to iMedia TV.
I want to say happy Salah to all Muslim Ummah in Nigeria at all. And my Salah speech today is that I want us to live in peace. All these things that is happening, both the bandits and the kidnapping issue, please, we should pray to Almighty Allah at this. We should use this opportunity to pray to Almighty Allah at this Eid al-Fitr so that at least we can come to an end of this issue that is happening in Nigeria.
I wish all the Muslim Ummah happy Salah, and may Allah accept our ibadah and the sacrifice that we are doing, may Allah accept it.
If you have enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me your questions, suggestions in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Thank you for watching. Bye.